Hello traders and welcome to Altcoin of the Week analysis video on zondacrypto. Today is Friday, June 28, 2024. Let's find out what's going on at DOGE to Tether at zondacrypto. This is our altcoin of the week. Now, there is a very particular situation here on this altcoin, which is why I would like to speak about. We got the technical support, which is very important right now for the bulls because it's being tested by the bears on and on. This level is 0.1180 and this is the key technical support here. So everyone who is bullish on the Dogecoin should be watching this level. Another one is 1155, 0.1155, because this is the low of the last test, right? So there's like extreme for the last test. You can see that there is a very nice zone, demand zone established on this market right now. If there is a breakout lower, there might be some support from the highs of the end of the December 2023, which is 0.1099. However, this support might be violated very quickly, and then the market would move lower towards this zone here between 0.08. So that's a completely different situation for the Dogecoin whatsoever. Now, the other thing I would like to point out is this trend line. If we apply the trend line from the top towards this level here, we can see that the market has been trying to move, at least move towards this trend line, but it didn't actually made it. And since then we got the situation when the market is trying to of course resume the uptrend. All right, we see big selling pressure on the Dogecoin. However, as you can see, there is not much result from this pressure. So we just moved to marginal lower low actually, and the pressure was quite strong, right? So big pressure here, no movement, which means that maybe this pressure has been absorbed by the bulls and they are just waiting for the opportunity to again strike back to the upside. However, if there is no immediate response to this selling pressure, we might see a lower levels, and then the bulls will just throw a towel and give up, right? The nearest targets for the eventual rally for the next week are 0.1559, and of course this high here, which is the key to the upside, 0.1746. Eventually we got this zone located between 0.1696, 0.1746. Okay, so that's one of the zones here, and the other one is of course the demand zone. So this is the first zone. This is the let's say supply zone, because the bears are very active on this zone. So that's one, and it's key zone to the upside. All right, and then there is a second zone, of course, which is the demand zone. Eventually this demand zone cannot be violated, otherwise we will have a problem. I'm talking about the bulls. Bulls will have a problem. The demand zone is quite wider than the supply zone, and it will take more time to break below the supply zone, the demand zone, because it's basically way stronger than it is. It's been tested many times, it's well established. So from this situation here, we can even go a little bit higher. RSI indicator is showing us that the current market conditions are extremely oversold, and we're just trying to bounce from these conditions, of course. So that's another indication that possibly is some kind of a scenario pointing out to the upside as a bounce from the current extremely oversold conditions might find confirmation in the actual market move, maybe just maybe next week, maybe in 2 weeks time. However, just because we are testing the demand zone, this scenario has a very nice odds right now at this time of the week. So that was the analysis of the week on zondacrypto, and this week we've been analyzing the Dogecoin. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.